what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. How you doing? Welcome to my channel. So today we're filming a very exciting video. We're going to be doing another Amazon leggings try on haul. You guys seem to really like my last video, and so I thought I would do another one here on my channel. If you haven't seen that one, I'll have it right here in the card so you could watch that one as well. And yeah, we have lots of leggings to try on today, and I also included sports bras this time from Amazon so we could test those out as well. And so yeah, if you guys want to see this haul, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, so the first things I'm going to be showing you are from the brand Favo Bowden. Hopefully I'm saying that right, but they are a Chinese based yoga brand on Amazon, and they did send me these products in hopes that I would talk about them, but this video is not sponsored and they did not pay me to make this video at all, so all opinions will be my own. And so we're gonna start off with them. So the first thing that they sent me were some leggings. Okay, so these come packaged kind of like the Queenie Key ones that we saw in my last video. They come in like a Ziploc frosted bag, which is pretty nice. And so I got the color black. Let's take a look at these. So this is what they look like. They are called the Yoga Pants Mesh Workout Leggings, and I got them in the color black. They retail for $22.99, and you can get them on Prime now. And yeah, I just really like the way these looked, especially because they looked like they wouldn't attract hair, which they don't. They're kind of that like spandexy material, so they're not really like cloth, if you know what I'm saying. And I got them in a size small. And so this is their little logo in the back. It just says Favo Bowden, and it has that symbol right there. It's really cute. I like the way it looks. And these are 27% spandex and 73% polyester. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and try these on. But first, I want to show you what came with it. So they did send the matching bra. And so I haven't opened this at all because I really wanted to show you guys how it came packaged. So this is how it comes when you order it. And it comes in this nice bag, and it's nice and like laid out so it doesn't like get all folded up. And then you just unzip it right here like that, and you pull it out. Oh my gosh, they even have it on this little plastic thing. That is so cool. I really like that because they wanted to make sure that like nothing bad happens to the sports bra. And as you can see, it has that mesh detailing right here to match the leggings. And then in the middle of the bra, it says Favo Bowden. Now, hopefully the sports bra will fit me because it doesn't have adjustable straps. And I did get this in a size small as well. And so hopefully it looks good together. The mesh looks interesting. It looks kind of wrinkly, but maybe it's just because it's not on the body yet. And so yeah, let's go ahead and just try these two on. Let me take the bra off. So it does have padding in the boob area, but there is a little slot on the back if you want to take the padding out. I like that if I'm going to be in public, and so if I get cold and nobody will see anything happening. So I do like that they have that in there, but we're going to see how it looks on the body, and if it looks weird, we could always just take that out. And so I'm going to try both of these on now. Okay guys, I'm standing on a chair once again, just like in my last haul, just so you could see the full length of the legging and how they look like on the body. And so this is what they look like. Oh my gosh, they're freaking cute. I love the mesh detail on them. So I love the material. It feels very, very spandexy, and it just makes me feel like everything's really like sucked in and held together. Now the mesh part comes pretty high up, so if you're not into that, you might not like these, but I think it just looks super cute. It would be really pretty in pictures. I don't know, I just feel very confident in these leggings. Like I said, I love the way they fit. They just make me feel like everything's held in. Now they're not high-waisted. They come like right up to the bottom half of my belly button ring. And so yeah, that is what these look like. Okay guys, so this is what the sports bra looks like. It has the name right here, super cute. I did get it in a size small, and I usually wear a 32D in Victoria's Secret bras. Like if you just take my regular bra, it's a 32D. And so if you're using it for like size reference, I think the mesh detailing is super cute. I just think it's a little big right here. Like I feel like this needs to be a little bit tighter just to secure my boobs in, because my nipple is literally like right here. So I wish it was just a little bit tighter so I didn't get any nip slips or anything like that. This band right here is super thick and tight. It's like really in there. So I feel like it's really good at like pushing your boobs up. This is what the back looks like. It's just like your regular cross back, but it does have that mesh detailing. I really like it. I just wish it was a little bit tighter right here so I wasn't afraid that my boobs would come out. And I think it goes with the leggings really nicely. So this is what everything kind of looks like together. I think it's super cute. It would be really pretty for pictures. And I would definitely work out in this. I usually do my workouts at home right now. Okay guys, so I forgot to tell you how much this mesh bra cost. So it costs $19.99, which is not that bad. And you can get it on Prime now. And it comes in 2 colors, black, which is the one I have, and pink. So only 2 colors, which kind of sucks. But I really just like black, so I picked the black one. Okay, so moving on to the next products that I got from the same brand. Okay, so these are all in the same kind of pattern, and it's called the ice pattern, and it looks like this. This is the sports bra that comes in the set. Okay, so this is what the capris look like. Super cute. They're in that same kind of spandexy material, which I love because you guys know I have a cat named Hudson, and his hair likes to stick to everything, and this does not like attract hair, which I really love. And so what I learned about these before I got them is that I was like looking online and seeing like what people said about them. And so like with these, they have like a white layer under the black layer. I don't know if you could see when I put my hand through it. You could kind of see it. So when you squat and stuff, like the white layer will show rather than your underwear, which I think is super cool. I think all leggings should be like that. Maybe even have like a black layer underneath. But like I said, this one has a white layer underneath, so we're gonna see how it looks like when we squat and everything. And then I got the same pattern in the shorts. So this is what the shorts look like. They're super duper short. Hopefully they'll be tight on me because they do look a little big. But I really like short shorts like this to wear under dresses and things, and also to wear on that time of the month because you're bloated, and I feel like everything feels like not tight enough when you're on your period. I don't know if I'm the only person that's like that, but I like everything to be sucked in and like tight, so I know that nothing's leaking out anywhere. So this would be awesome for that. I know that's not what it's for working out, but that's probably what I would use these for. And I wouldn't really wear these ones out in public just because I'm kind of embarrassed of my legs. Like I have lots of bruises because I bruise very easily, and I just don't think my legs look very attractive. But I would definitely wear these around the house, especially because it gets really hot here during summer. And then last but not least, the bra, of course. It comes in that same like plastic thing, which I think is so cool. That's really unique. And then it has like that zipper. I wonder if that's how you put it on. Yeah, it zips all the way off. That's cool. So how much is the bra? Let's see. Okay, the bra is $18.99, and you could also get it on Prime, which is a really good price. And then the short shorts are $16.99. I feel like that's a little bit up there for shorts, but we're gonna see how they wear it, and they're also on Prime. So everything you could get on Prime now, which is super cool because you could get it really fast if you have Amazon Prime, of course. So we're gonna try on everything together. I think the first set I'm gonna try on is the capris with the bra, and then I'll show you the shorts with the bra. Okay guys, so this is what the capris look like. I really love these. Now they do fit tighter than the mesh black ones, so just so you know, these pattern ones run smaller than those, but they still fit. They're just a little bit more tighter, but like they're not uncomfortably tight. And yeah, I wish that they were full length though, just because I don't wear capri leggings all the time, just because you have to shave your legs and nobody got time for that. But other than that, I really love the pattern. It just looks so nice. And it does have that white detailing that I was telling you, to where if you squat, you'll see white instead of your skin, which is pretty cool. And I did do the squat test, and they are squat proof. They look a little bit more sheer on camera because of the lights, like I said, but you can see the white once you squat. And yeah, I really like them. I like them a lot. And so they are high rise, so they come up higher than the other ones. They hit like the middle of my belly button, And yeah, they just feel nice and like secure, which I really like. Now, if I'm bloated, I don't know if these will fit me, to be honest, just because they are a little bit tighter. They don't give me camel toe or anything, which I really like. And yeah, this is what the back looks like with the little sign. And so this is what the sports bra looks like. And oh my gosh, I really, really like this one as well. I love the pattern. And check this out, like it has this little hook at the inside that you could hook to make sure like nothing comes popping out, which I really like. And then you just zip it up, or you could zip it all the way up. I just think it looks cuter like that. And then you zip it up all the way from the bottom. Now mine is all frayed right now because I had so much trouble putting it on, guys, just because it was a lot tighter. And so like I couldn't get it to hook, and so that was my fault. Okay guys, so I just figured out why it looks frayed like this. So this little part that's like random, I was like playing with it and I was like, what the heck does this even do? So you grab it and it covers the like zipper and also that frayed part, so it looks normal again. That is so cool. I really love the detailing of like this set. I feel like it's a little bit more high quality than the other set. And also check out the back. Okay, can you guys see? So the back has adjustable straps. So if it comes a little too big, you could adjust the straps for it to fit you better, which I really, really like that, because not everybody has like the same size shoulders and whatnot. And so yeah, that is what the back looks like. It has that same crisscross detail as the mesh one, except it has those adjustable straps. And yeah, I really, really like the back as well, and it just has the same pattern. So this is how everything looks like together. I really, really like it. I feel like it complements my body really nicely. The tights come right up to where like my love handles start, and so it just makes me like feel more confident just because it like hides those love handles. And I just think it matches very nicely. It's a super cute set. I'm really gonna wear the heck out of this one because I think it's my favorite so far. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try on the shorts with the sports bra and see how everything looks. Okay guys, so this is what the shorts look like. So these are actually a lot looser on the top compared to the capri ones. They fit a little bit more comfortable just because they're not as tight. And so they're a lot more easier to like lounge around in. But they are pretty tight like at the bottom, which is weird. Like they're tighter right here than they are at the top. And so like when I move my legs, they kind of like go up and then I have to like pull them down. But I'm not really comfortable in shorts, even regular like jean shorts. I don't tend to wear because I just feel so insecure in them. Okay guys, so I was re-watching the clips of me trying them on just to make sure everything was in frame, and I totally noticed that I had camel toe the whole time I was wearing those shorts. So just be aware of that. If you don't want camel toe, I wouldn't pick those up just because, yeah, I had major camel toe. I couldn't tell in person, but definitely on camera I could tell. Okay, so that was everything that I got from the brand Favo Bowden, and I will have everything linked in the description if you want to click on it and check it out on Amazon, or if you want to order any of these things. But the next brand we're going to be moving on to from Amazon is Queenie Key. Now you guys already saw this brand in my last leggings try on haul, but I decided to order another pair just because I did end up returning those purple leggings that were see-through. And so yeah, this is what the package looks like. It looks exactly like the Favo Bowden ones, except it says Queenie Key on them. And I got the color, what color did I get? The color is royal blue, and I got them in a size small, and they are high-waisted, just like the purple ones, except they're a different color. So hopefully these one won't be really sheer like those, because all the ones that I've tried that are solid colors are always see-through, except for the, which ones did I get? Like the spaced white dye ones are not as see-through, but they're still see-through. So none of their leggings have been totally squat-proof. And it's so crazy because everybody raves about the Queenie Key ones here on YouTube. And so if these don't work out for me, I'm probably just gonna end up getting some more space dye ones, because those ones don't attract hair and that they also are less sheer. And I really like my white and gray ones that I got from them though. I've been wearing those like crazy. I even showed them on my Instagram just because I really like those. So this is what they look like. This is what the royal blue color looks like. Now to me, this doesn't look like a royal blue. It looks more like a navy color. but they just named it royal blue. So yeah, we're just gonna try these on. Okay, so this is what the Queenie Key ones look like. I really love the way these fit. They come up really high rise and they just feel nice on the body. Now they are rolled up a little bit on the bottom just because I'm only 5'3", so I'm not that tall, so my legs don't completely fill them out. But unfortunately these are sheer, just like the purple ones. And it's just very disappointing because they fit so nice and they look a lot like the Lululemon ones, except they're sheer. Like you could literally tell on camera how sheer they are. Now don't get me wrong, on camera they're gonna appear a lot more sheer just because all of my lights, like I said with the black ones, that's why I didn't even squat in those, just because I knew they were gonna come up sheer. I tried them on without all these lights, just natural light, and they're still pretty sheer, so unfortunately these are not squat proof. But if you don't really care about the squat proofness, they do fit really nice. Like I said, I got a size small. I'm usually a size 5 in pants, and so they just like really form to your body and just look overall like really nice, but they're just pretty sheer. And so yeah, unfortunately I'm gonna return these, but I'm still gonna order some other ones from Queenie Key. Like I'm not gonna totally give up on the brand just because, like I said, I really love my white ones that I got from them. So I'm just gonna order those same leggings but in black so I can know that I'm gonna really love those ones. And so yeah, that's gonna be everything for this leggings try on haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, so I could know to keep filming these kinds of videos for you guys. Since you guys really enjoyed my last one, I thought you would really like this one as well. Also, make sure you're subscribed, and if you're new, I'm BritanyRaquell. Nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications on. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video.